Hello friends, today we are making paper flowers. We required green paper. This is white duplex paper. See this is the length. Then we required scissor, one sketch pen, pencil, then one just to hold this wire, then scale, and this is Fevicol. Now let's start. We have to cut the paper. For that, this is the measurement 4 centimeter. Just mark 4 centimeter here, then again here, and like that we are going to cut the strip. Now just draw a single line. The measurement is 4 centimeter, the width, and the length is as it is, how much this paper is. Now I am cutting it. One more strip of 2 centimeter. So I'll just measure over here 2 centimeter, mark 2 centimeter like this. Again here like this. So the length will be 30 centimeter. That is one whole 1 feet. Now I'll cut this. Now this strip, what I'll do, I'll just fold it like this and make one more fold. Okay. And then see how I'm cutting it. First I'll cut this and make the small cutting over here. Now I got this one strip. See here, I keep it like this. Then I'll cut the big white one. Same procedure. I'll just make these folds. I'll cut it in a small cuts. This will be petals. Now just see, I got this. Now what I'll do, I'll just take this. Now these petals, we have to just give one shape. Okay, just little round one, nothing much. Like that, you have to take total sections and then cut it. Just give round shape, nothing. Okay, now take so like this you have to make some shades on this white color paper. Okay. Now I'll put this glue on the another strip. So again I'll place it that one line, whole line, and the procedure is same. Spread little bit this glue and round it. You see how I'm making this round? I'll just stretch it from down. Okay, and just make it like this. Now this will look like this. You have to just spread it, all the petals. But it's done. But we have to make leaves and stem. Okay, so how we will make? I'll take this green scrap paper again. First, I'll take this square. I'll cut it like this. Okay. If you want some cut in different way, you can just cut it Like this also you can put. Okay. You have to take this much paper. This is just 4 centimeter. Okay. Length is 4 centimeter, and again this is 2. And I'll cut it into small sections like this. Then I put again glue on this. And now I'll roll this here. Like this. Glue on this paper, green paper, and cover this whole wire. So how we will do this wire? We have to just make the roll, nothing else, and go down and down. So it will resemble like a flower leaf over here, and then again I'll just make sure that leaf is inside, and again I will roll it. Okay. So like this, you can add one more leaf somewhere, and then so now we can have. Finally, the product will look like this. The flower is looking like this. Now your flower is ready.